Hey there! So I went on a mission to find the best workout tank tops for women, and I tested 5 amazing options so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. Trust me, I know how important comfort and style are when you're sweating it out at the gym or just hanging out. Let's dive into my top picks.
Product number 1. Trendy Queen Oversized Long Sleeve Tee. When I got my hands on the Trendy Queen Oversized Long Sleeve Tee, I was immediately drawn to its soft and stretchy fabric. This shirt has become my go-to for both workouts and casual outings. Picture this. I was heading to the gym and decided to wear this top paired with my favorite leggings. The moment I slipped it on, I felt like I was being hugged by a cloud. The breathable material allowed me to move freely, whether I was lifting weights or doing yoga. The oversized fit is not only stylish but also practical, giving me enough room to breathe without feeling restricted. Pros-wise, it's versatile enough to wear for various occasions, from gym sessions to brunch dates. I love how it pairs well with shorts or jeans, giving me that effortless Y2K vibe. The relaxed crew neck design is classic and flattering, making it perfect for layering or wearing solo. On the flip side, I found the oversized nature might not appeal to everyone. If you prefer a more fitted look, you might want to consider sizing down. So why buy it? For just $14.99, you're getting a quality top that combines style, comfort, and versatility. Whether you're lounging at home or hitting the streets, this top is a fantastic addition to your wardrobe.
Product number 2. Gayhay 3-Pack Basic Tees. The Gayhay 3-Pack Basic Tees are like a breath of fresh air in my wardrobe. They are designed to feel like a second skin, and let me tell you, they do not disappoint. I wore one while running errands and another for a casual coffee date. The moment I slipped into the first one, I was astonished by how soft and lightweight it felt. The fabric hugged my body just right, enough to provide a flattering silhouette without being constrictive. One of the best features is the dual styling option. The rolled-up hem allows you to switch from a cropped look to a classic fit in seconds. I often wore it with joggers for a laid-back vibe, and then switched to high-waisted jeans for a more polished look. The versatility is unbeatable. However, I did notice that the fit can be a bit snug, so I recommend checking the size chart before purchasing. At $16.99 for 3 tees, it's hard to beat the value. These tees are perfect for anyone looking to add some stylish staples to their wardrobe. They're great for workouts, casual outings, or just lounging at home. If you want versatility and comfort, these tees should be on your radar.
Product number 3. iJinYen Racerback Basic Tank. The iJinYen Racerback Basic Tank has quickly become a summer favorite of mine. Priced at just $8.48, this tank top is a fantastic option for beating the heat while looking stylish. I remember the first time I wore it to a yoga class. The soft, stretchable fabric felt incredible against my skin, allowing me to move freely into every pose. With its deep V-neck and racerback design, it not only provides comfort, but also a trendy look. I wore this tank during a weekend hike, and I was pleasantly surprised by how breathable it was. Even under the sun, I felt cool and comfortable. The versatility of this tank is another win. Whether I'm heading to the gym, running errands, or just hanging out with friends, it fits seamlessly into my wardrobe. The only downside is that while the fit is generally true to size, the crop design might not be for everyone. If you prefer a longer top, this may not be your best bet. In terms of value, you really can't go wrong. This tank is a must-have for any summer wardrobe, combining style, comfort, and affordability. If you're looking to upgrade your workout gear for the hot months, this is the one to grab. Product number 4. Levifint Lightweight Running Jacket. The Levifint Lightweight Full Zip Running Jacket is a game changer for outdoor workouts. I tested this jacket during my morning runs, and I was immediately impressed by how lightweight it felt, yet still provided warmth. The full zip feature is super convenient, allowing me to take it on and off with ease. It's made from a mix of polyester and spandex, which makes it incredibly soft and breathable. One of my favorite features are the thumb holes. They keep the sleeves in place during my runs, which is something I truly appreciate. Plus, they add a bit of extra warmth on chilly mornings. I also love how versatile this jacket is. I've worn it to the gym, while hiking, and even just lounging around the house. On the downside, the slim fit may not be ideal for all body types, so it's something to consider when ordering. At $16.70, this jacket offers great value for anyone into fitness. It's perfect for layering or wearing solo, making it a fantastic addition to your workout wardrobe.
If you're looking for a reliable, stylish jacket that won't weigh you down, I highly recommend this one.
Product number 5. Yayero Fitted Workout Top. The Yayero Fitted Workout Top has quickly become one of my favorite pieces in my workout collection. Priced at $19.99, it offers a unique blend of style and functionality that I find hard to resist. The first time I wore it to the gym, I was amazed at how well it fit. The double-line design ensures that nothing shows through, which is always a plus. I loved the way it felt on my skin. Buttery soft and stretchy, it allowed me to move freely without any restrictions. This top has a trendy Y2K vibe, which is perfect for both workouts and going out. I wore it out with friends and received compliments on how flattering it was. However, I did find that the sizing runs a bit small, so I'd recommend sizing up for a more comfortable fit. Overall, this top is a must-have for anyone looking for compression wear that doesn't compromise on style. It's perfect for the gym, running, or even just a casual day out. If you want to feel confident while working out, this is the top for you.